bet you can't tell me how much I pay for this. $3,500 in people I pay for that hairstyle, you know. Bun me, you know. Want about my money, brother. What go on, vloggers? Vliggity vlog. I'm up on the road, man. I've run a couple of errands really quickly, and I'm thinking for today's vlog I could make some wings, man. Remember I telling you I want to make some wings? Finally get free. I go make some wings. I haven't been doing anything all week, which is why you're not seeing a vlog. As I say, some ideas them I go just feel like same thing. So I say, oh, it don't make sense. But you know, post that type of monotone content there. Cause I could just be me around the house. Not do nothing special. As I step out of the house today, carry on with me. Come feel fresh air with me, yes me. What me I go walk when I go. If me have anything else to say, me check back in. So we have the dog, the Zine. I feel like him a walk and a tease the rest of the dog them will lock up. Tell some general I show you free the boy them bad mind him. I show you boss free man name bad mind him, you see me? As him a walk past him a bark and cuss him off. That day boy go over here so get free up to it. Here's something that I always think about. Why people walk with speakers when headphones exist. I'm trying to figure it out. What is it? What psychotic tendency do you possess? Why I feel like say, yo, when I use my headphones, when I use my earphones, I walk with my Bluetooth speaker and I play my tune loud. I don't care. Anyways, I do what I'm supposed to do, so I head back home now. Is there any country in the world, you see, where you can go to? I mean, there are, but if you don't know, maybe know. You know, when you want to get a fresh start on life and you come from Jamaica and you just want to move and it's a foreign country and you just want to live some different life. Nothing wrong with that. Well, things wrong with that, but you know, I just want to change the scene, brother. I just want to go somewhere different for a change. And just go take in some other culture for a little bit. You know? And miss Jamaica a little bit. Like how them people that they are foreign now. Oh, I miss you there, man. I want to go somewhere for miss Jamaica a little bit. I gotta do some research on it. Find some decent country where you can just pack up everything and left and go there. Have a little life. Live a little bit. And nobody look at me weird, you know. Like I'm me one think about them sitting here. I will if people think about moving from Jamaica. Someone probably gonna come into the not even there yard right now. You see it? But I don't know violation thing. It's just like get a new type of space. Some new inspiration, them type of vibe them play on, you see me? You know what, scrap the idea there. My mind start thinking too much at me. I wonder about the whole heap of unnecessary nonsense, so I probably have to go through. I can't deal with that right now, so I go and build back after I stay in the country. I don't know, maybe at a later date, but then they said there is no time like the present. I don't know, yeah, man. It would be nice to get a change of scenery, bro. You know, a new country, see some different things. And I guess I can do that by, you know, traveling. But traveling requires money. A money thing that scares you, you know. I could keep that one there on the books. We're not completely that's way. I keep it on the books. This morning and I smell a lady perfume. And nobody couldn't tell me that she either was or she is a teacher. You know, certain professions carry a certain cologne when they use. And nobody could tell me say she never want a teacher. She want a teacher scent. La Professora Fragrance. Eau de toilette. They are going to scope out the sweets of tree because if you catch you when they fit. Because if me not catch you when they fit, the bird them are going to catch you. It's a little whiff or something while ago, like something ripe. Or maybe a one will get eaten by the birds. Couple of them there, you know. This is not ready yet, none at all. That's what I talk about though. But force me to that one day. See the next little piece there up there, so but they force me to. John, go and keep an eye on anything you read. But they are violate. I bet you can't tell me how much I pay for this. $3,500 in people I pay for that hairstyle, you know. And nobody feel like say I grow or I saw me get the hairstyle done, you know, when I get up in the paper, my heart a bun me, you know. One about my money, brother. I could have said that to you just I just say, yeah man, it look nice. I joke man, I ugly, you know. You know, so I could have like a skill though if I could have see if you really do my thing. I could have, you know, sort out my thing. It should take me 3 days to do. I do 1, and me do what 2 or 4 the next day, then 4. Maybe 4 days it take me. If you fuck me know so my hair want wash. You know, say all my days I do this, me probably just trim my hair. That you know? You know, hey, I say don't say nothing about trim, man. You see quality up at top. Eh? No, look good, look good. Remember good no man? Remember no man? Phone it dead if you want to focus. Yo, this feel nice to play now. I mean, it kind of moisturize it, so it feel fun to play with. And the little curl them in a bundle them just, it relaxing. Nice little cheese puff them. Black cheese puff them. Yo, Fras! Someone go up on the road. Again, we just want to go back and try to get some ranch dressing. A while ago, I tried to get ranch, but instead, never on a ranch, I say French dressing. So I say, hey, it might work with the wings. So I just buy that. But there's one more place that I can check, or 2 more places rather, that I can check if they have the ranch dressing. So I'm gonna do that. And also I might get some more wings, because I feel like I'm gonna eat some for lunch or whenever I eat it. And then I'm gonna need more. So that's the 2 things I'm gonna need to go back on the road go do. And then that's it for the day. We'll just chill until cooking time. Look like a scalar wangle though, I mean, I like. No, never goodbye. I'm watching this series on Netflix. It come out long time now. Dark. Why do I look so? I look greasy. I look homeless. Everything you know what? When I watch a series and it's, you have to watch it with intensity and an unbroken focus. Really and truly catch on to the plot. Have I been watching it with an intense and unbroken focus? No, but me get the basic idea, you know? Catastrophe are go on, the world are go end, and one set I try prevent it, one set want if it happen. And it's just a continuous loop of getting right back to the origin of it, I think. That's where I pick up from. But it's quite interesting. Maybe someone will watch it already. Maybe someone can check out. But remember, you have a focus. See, you can't have your phone out. You have it locked in. No, never goodbye. Alright people, boom. What we're gonna use for bread or chicken, of course we got flour. We're gonna use 3 cups of flour because we're doing 15 pieces of wings. So it's 3 cups of flour. Boom. 3 cups of flour. Alright, we're gonna go in with some of the cayenne pepper. I say I saw you if you do it, if you twist it. So then big idiot fly I love ramp. Alright. I'll go in with some onion and garlic powder mix. Hold on, get the liquor side. I already seasoned the chicken with that, but you don't know. Put little in your bread in, of course. Salt. I don't want to go in with, I barely season the chicken with salt. I use all of the other seasonings, but not a lot of salt on the chicken because I wanted to put the salt into this. So let's go in with a generous amount. Open the salt for the good. And then like me say, I always say salt is something where you can add after, you know. So you don't have to worry about putting too little. But you can always add it after. And of course you got some black pepper. Some blicky pepper, you know. We'll just go in with a generous amount of blicky pepper. And that's all the seasoning that I have. The orange seasoning I usually dash in there. It's done. I use it the last I pan the chicken. So I can see how that goes. Just mix up this. Boom. Now with that. Alright people, so we have the garlic ginger sweet sauce, sweet spicy sauce over here. So then we just have the regular hot sauce and butter melted together. That's it. I'm sweating. It's hot. I don't know who I'm about me wear a shirt. But I try to get ranch, right? But me go Google it and see say it's not really difficult to make your own ranch. So this is my ranch. It's a 1-to-1 with them use sour cream and mayonnaise. And one of them put milk in there. But me just use the basics. They say you can substitute the sour cream with buttermilk. And since me did already do my homemade buttermilk for the chicken, me just take like 2 tablespoons out of that. Mix it with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You put in salt, in a few them one them add dill and them thing. I don't know them sitting there and in a microwave, I don't care. So let me just put the basics what I have, which is salt, black pepper, and they have some parsley, some dried parsley, and I put it in there. Oh, Tony, be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking young girl. Oh. I'm gonna fry with chicken, you know. I'm gonna put on the oil yet. Our chicken in buttermilk, and then I go from the buttermilk. Focus now, please. Thanks. I go from buttermilk to flour, water, back to flour in a pot. If you now wonder why I get mashed down with some soaked peanuts, man. I'm telling you, soak on a peanut them in the water. You wash your red. The red taste there. I know you know what I talk about. Eat one before and wash your red, and then after you done soaking, you see the color change and you just see like the little vein them on the peanut. That's when you know say you're ready. And you're going to see the difference where you taste. You taste the nut, you don't taste the red. And also, sometimes water seep in it, so you get this burst of like a little water. Just soak them. Soak them. What I forget to tell you is that I'm doing my little style of frying chicken, which is the pressure cooker chicken. Yes, we are going to put this in there, so where we are going to fry it for. After the oil heat up, we put in the chicken. I think I put in about 6 or 7 pieces of the wings. And then we are going to cover that and make it fry for about 3 to 4 minutes on low heat. And then another 3 minutes on high heat. Then we take it off. Bust the lid you know when we are let out the steam, you see me? When it's cool. Show you what I go on in the pot. Take it off and then we go again. We have another batch to start with. See it over here after? Yeah. Alright people. Then just come out of the pot looking all greasy. So we're going to make the oil drain. We'll finish up the rest over here so. But this is what it look like so far, you understand? So the chicken is done. It's beautiful by the way. I don't know if you can see what's going on. Yeah, it's beautiful. So I'm just letting that chill right now. You know, drip off the oil. And then regather its own juices. Then I'm gonna just put people in their sauces that they're supposed to go in, and also those that are not supposed to get sauced, not gonna get sauced. So right now, I'm just gonna vibe out. You know, it's raining outside. That's kind of crazy. Rain to pull up today, but I'm never complaining when the rain is here. You know. I think we're gonna make some fries. So I think I'm gonna go bathe, make some fries, and then we eat. How does that sound? That sounds good. Alright, cool, let's do it then. Look much cleaner now, we have our fries going. Of course, when I don't know. What? I can't see behind this thing. What is this, man? Yeah, wait, got our fries going. And of course, you know, we're gonna double fry it. Because I saw fries for fry. Yeah, I'll reach up to temperature, but everything jiggy same way. It'll get there. Yeah, you see what happens when you get some lights on them wings, man? On them beautiful wings, man. Beautiful. I got sauce them up here now. Yeah, so that's my saucing pan. I'm gonna put in 5 at a time. So I'm gonna put a flat. We got a drummet. That's what they call it, a drummet. This is supposed to be a drummet, but whatever. We're going in with the butter and hot sauce. Give him a toss. You know what I'm saying? Ah, there we go. You know what I'm saying? And right now I'm not even gonna like wash it out or anything. I'm just gonna put 5 more in there. So that's put a drummy, another drummy, like Nick Cannon, I'm playing all these drums. This is the garlic ginger sweet sauce. Oh yeah, we just pour all of that. All of that sauce. I don't care. I'm going in with everything. Go in there. Go all in. Yeah, all of you. All of you get in there. That's right. Now we're gonna give him a toss. So you know, let's do that. Oh. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look lovely? And of course we got the regular degulars right here. Regular degulars. We got the beautiful French fries. And we're just gonna have a little salt drizzled on them. Lovely. Oh yeah. Yeah. That is it. Yeah. Beautiful. And that's it. So what we're gonna put this on is like a bed of lettuce. You know, because we're eating all this junk food, so it's might as well we just you know, make it look a little bit less unhealthy. Distribute that salt around in there. Yeah, that can't do nothing. We don't even put no more. Boom. Yeah, paper. What kind of thing on the plate? Hold on, come down a little bit, my plate. There you go. These are the spices. Ooh, look at them babies. Ooh, are we going with these babies right here? Them sauced up ones. I don't know why I'm putting so much on the plate because I'm really not gonna have all of this. Alright, but I'll take back off some of the spicy one, then, isn't it? Cause I think we are gonna leave some of them for dinner too. Yeah, and I think that's it, man. Homemade ranch, French dressing. Never give way. Time to mash down the food, and now the camera battery are going like it wanted, so we could just try everything as quickly as we possibly can. The first thing, let's try the regulars, you know? From the regular shot, everything else, they're different level. Wow. And as usual, fries them be busting, man. We could try the spicy honey. Here goes spicy honey. The honey, why am I saying honey? The ginger garlic sweet. I'm going at the homemade ranch. Ooh. Ranch don't look too bad, man. Wow, that ginger and that sweetness with the tanginess from this. That is it. That pressure cooker fried chicken. If you see how the wing them come off clean and beautiful. Cleanse the palate, you know. I'm gonna try one of the spicy ones now with the ranch. Hey, my ranch is ranching, okay? Not bad. The only thing I'm gonna do, we're gonna put maybe like 1 more tablespoon of hot sauce. That's the difference. But hey, what's going on, man? And Mr. People, the pressure cooker frying the wings. So you're bone clean? Huh? Yeah? I will try French dressing for both of them and see what I want, isn't it? Cleanse the palate like a bit. It's a grass and them things, right? French dressing and the ginger garlic. Post-tonic. Yeah, that is. That is it for sure. The French dressing for the ginger garlic levels. I have to do the next one before the camera did. Wow. How bad your frig. Palate cleanse. Well, I know a regular this month. Just try it for the sake of it. But with the regular too. But now we are going for the spicy. Oh yeah. The French dressing, I thought it was going to be like a bad bite, a weak substitute. But it worked out well. I'm a homemade ranch. It's lovely. You know, the fries are by the fret. People, that is it for the vlog. I'm going to continue mash down this. It's probably a nasty, but I can't really see good. I'm going to continue mash down this and watch a little movie. I'm see you in our next vlog. If you can try this, man, you can try it. No, look how the bone clean. Clean bone. Pressure cooker fried chicken. Look more.